The Minister of Social Development, Ms. Bathabile Dlamini, and her Deputy Minister, Ms. Hendrietta Bogopane-Zulu, will officially launch the Department of Social Development's program for 16 days of no violence against women and children in Gauteng and Eastern Cape provinces, respectively. Minister Dlamini will be in Alice outside East London, where she will engage with that community after officials of the department had been in the area conducting dialogues to hear how government is responding to issues of violence against women and children. The Deputy Minister, Ms. Hendrietta Bogopane-Zulu, will hold a media briefing launching the National Emergency Response Team, a mobile service that consists of social workers and psychologists specializing in trauma counseling. The team is deployed via the department's 24-hour gender-based violence command center and provides trauma counseling in the private spaces of survivors. The team is managed to also monitor cases reported in the media for immediate intervention. The command center is a toll-free line that provides a professional service and can geolocate its callers. The toll-free number to call for assistance is 0800 428 428, 0800 428 428. Callers can also request a social worker from the command center to contact them by dialing *120 *7867 #, *180 *7867 #.